Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure the essentials are ready. Your Samsung is unlocked, connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and you know your Google account credentials. Once done, swipe up from the home screen to open the app's drawer and visually scan for the Play Store icon. If you spot it, tap to open. If not, use the search bar at the top of the app's drawer and type Play Store. This gets you started quickly and avoids wasting time on needless settings. Next, you'll verify the Play Store's status in Settings so you can fix common issues. Go to Settings, tap Apps, then use the menu to show System Apps and locate Google Play Store. If it's disabled, tap Enable. If it's enabled but misbehaving, tap Storage and clear cache, then clear data if needed. Also find Google Play Services and Google Services Framework to ensure they are enabled and updated, because the Play Store relies on those components to sign you. Finally, open the Play Store, follow the on-screen prompts, and sign in with your Google account so purchases and app installs sync properly. Make sure the Play Store and Google Play Services are up to date. Install updates and restart the phone if prompted to apply changes. Once signed in, test by searching for a free app and tapping Install. If the Play Store is still missing or fails to open, remove and re-add your Google account or reset app preferences as a targeted troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.